Hi! So in this guide, we will talk about how to install Windows 11 without internet. It is quite simple and easy to bypass that restriction. First, install Windows 11 just like normal. After restart, it will start configuring, and then a window appears saying, "Let's connect you to a network." Now what you have to do is simply just press Shift plus F1 key. And CMD window will appear. Now type OOBE, BYPASSNRO and press Enter. Now your system will restart. When the Connect to Internet window appear, you will see there is an option saying, "I don't have internet." Click on that and do the rest of the configuration. And your Windows 11 will boot and start without any problem. Hope you will like this guide. Please like and subscribe, and do let me know in the comments if have any question. Thank you.